Today we are treating the client with a platinum Hydrafacial. The Hydrafacial consists of various steps which deep cleanse, exfoliate, treat and hydrate the skin, delivering instant and long-lasting results that you can see and feel. Firstly, we're going to cleanse the skin to remove any makeup. Today I'm going to be using the All Skin Med cleansing foam, which is suitable for all skin types, a gentle cleanser without drying out the skin. The Hydrafacial is suitable for all skin types. We do the Signature Hydrafacial and the Platinum Hydrafacial. The Platinum Hydrafacial consists of the lymph drainage, the LED lights and the booster adapted to your skin type. It's also recommended to have the treatment at least every 4 to 6 weeks or as and when you feel that your skin needs a boost. The next step in the Platinum Hydrafacial is to detox. So here I'm using the lymphatic drainage that improves circulation of the lymph system, helping to eliminate toxins. Then we need to do a deep cleanse. This uses a vortex suction which is gentle and effective on the skin. The next step is to do a peel. Today we're using the Glycel Prep, which is a gentle exfoliation and helping to resurface the skin. We then leave on the peel and we do the extractions. So this removes debris from the pores, and using the vortex suction again uses painless extraction on the areas like the T-zone, and then we remove. Now we're going to treat. So in the Platinum Hydrafacial, we tailor the boosters to your skin's needs. So today I'm using the Brightenol booster to help boost radiance and even out pigmentation. Then we're going to rejuvenate the skin using the LED lights. On this client, I'm using the red LED to further stimulate collagen. We can also use the blue light, which will help fight against blemish breakouts. So now to fuse and protect the skin, we saturate the skin's surface with antioxidants, peptides and hyaluronic acid to maximise your glow. Then to finish, I'm using the All Skin Med range. So I'm going to be using the Growth Factor Eye Cream to help brighten the eye, the Pigmentation Serum to help even out the skin, and the Vitamin C Hydrator to lock in moisture. And don't forget the SPF. I'm using the HelioCare Oil-Free Gel SPF 50. And there we have this beautiful glow at the end of the Hydrafacial treatment. And here we have all of the impurities that we've extracted from the skin. Book for your Hydrafacial in clinic today. Visit our website facethefutureclinic.co.uk for more information or contact us via email or telephone.